Welcome back to Dev Academy. Today we will discuss about DCL and DQL. DCL stands for Data Control Language. Data Control Language. DQL means Data Query Language. In the DCL we have two commands. One is grant and second one is revoke. Grant means give a permission and revoke means take back to the permission. Take back to the permission. I will show you grant and revoke commands with examples. Yeah. Here I am connecting to testing SQL user. Again I am connecting to one more user, that is main user. Yeah. SA user is a main user. This user have all the permissions. SA user have can read the data, write and update, delete. SA user can do anything. Yeah, I will show you. This is a testing DB. New query window. Select star from students. This user is a SA user. SA user can query the data and insert into students values Ramesh, comma age. SA user inserting the data also. The same thing. This is a testing user. Insert. This is a different user. Insert into students values Rakesh 35. This user don't have the write operation. Then what we can do is, by using grant command we can give a write permission. Grant syntax is a grant is a keyword, insert is a privilege name. Privileges means insert, update, delete, these all are privileges. On student means table name and test SQL is a username. If you are trying to execute, this user don't have a permission to grant this grant the per permission. What we can do is, the main user have a all the permissions, means SA user. This is a SA user. See here. Here I gave write permission. Again what I did is trying to inserting the data. Yeah, write permission is successfully executed. I will show you. Select star from students. This user write permission also working, and this user we this user cannot don't have a update permission. I will show you. Update students set age equal to 40 where id equal to 1. See here, the test SQL user don't have a update permission. If I the same command, if I trying to execute in the SA user, this query window user is different and this query user window is different. This query window user is a testing SQL user and this window user is a SCA user. You see here, SCA user have a update permission also. The same thing, I will give a permission, update permission, update. Yeah, here what I did is update command also executed. ID1 age is 40 and here what I'm trying to do is age is 45. Yeah, update command also working. See here, and what I did is I will remove the update write operation. Revoke means take back to the permission. Here I am revoking the write operation. Yeah, the same thing I'm trying to inserting the data. You see here, insert permission was denied to this table and this user. Yeah, and one more thing, now currently only write operation is denied. Update is happening. Now what I did is update also, I am revoking the update also. Execute. See here, update permission was denied this particular table and this is a user. Now grant and revoke means grant is a give the permission specific table or specific user. Revoke means take back to the permissions. DQL means data query language. Data query language means we can query the data by using select command. Select star from students. This is a DQL command. DQL means querying the data querying the data query. DQL means data querying language. See here, we can use select command by using where condition, where id equal to 1. Select star from table name means we can get the all the rows. If we are using where condition, that particular data will be coming. You see here, yeah. Star means we can get the all the data. Yeah, and here what I did is where age equal to 21. See here, how many records will be there? Age 21, 1, 2, 3. Now in this command, if you are executing this command, 3 records. Those 3 records will be coming. Yeah, this is the DQL command. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you guys.